Dude, what? So right now we're waiting on this move. Let me remove this here session. So we're still not even above Asia highs. I'm targeting Asia highs realistically right now. We gotta break this zone though. 30-minute looks okay, but it's not great. Hour looks kind of chopped. 2 hour looks chopped. 4 hour looks chopped. What the hell? Might take profit. I don't know. What news do we have right now? We have news today. News at 9 a.m. Interesting, interesting. What's going on in the chat? Let's see if anyone's up. A 9 year ago live stream is crazy work. It said 9 years ago. I doubt anybody's up right now, so. Another thing is, bro, that's a key level that we could touch, and I was kept telling my boy that we could hit those 400s. But so I mean those 700s. That'd be nice to hit those. Yeah, to hit up there would be fucking solid ass work. Because when we showed my mentorship. Whoop whoop. So we touched this zone here, broke past rejection in this level, which we have this rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. Clearly a key level, so we need to break above this level here because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 taps. This being the highest high, higher high, higher low, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower high. So we'll see, bro. I'm gonna give it to like I don't know. See how much more push we can get. Life, I'm alaikum, I'm alaikum, I'm alaikum.
Support meeting.
Pretty little baby. Bum. I don't even like how this is reacting, honestly. All right, let me finish rolling this. I mean, my goal, I would like to make at least 3K. 3K would be nice. But realistically, I would like to make 4 to 6K. But sometimes we're not always going to get that way. Army wants to take profit here. Army wants to hold. Sometimes you gotta win. Know when to hold 'em. Know when to fold 'em. Know when to hold 'em. Know when to fold 'em. So what I'm looking for here, based off the 4-hour support down here, support these levels, trying to create higher highs off this 4-hour to fill this zone here. Because clearly we have to break out of here. Right? And if we clone this, move this over, clone this, move this over. So we got some highs here. We got a high here, a high here, and a high. This is the highest high, lower high, lower high. Try to tap back in that zone. We're rejecting off of these lows here. This hour did reject. So I did get sales here. This was consolidation, breakout to the upside. Asia pullback with pre-London market volume. And now we could get a push to the upside if we can break this zone. So this key level is what I'm looking to break currently. This level here. So it'd be like 690, 694. I'd say 695, but the other one that I would like to break is 690. So we'll do 690 on this. Change that to white. And then 695, which I'm trying to break too. As well. 95. Change that to this blue color. And then 700 is my target. So multiple TPs right now. Who knows? May get out early and just take this light dub. I would like to make more, but I don't want to be greedy. Especially with how the market is right now currently. Rolling me a bleezy. Rolling me a bleezy. I'm trying to take it easy. Only a easy. Roll this bleezy, trying to take it easy. Rolling these nice blunts that I fucking roll. Perfecto. It's about to hit, boy. About to be Keith. Yeah, this thing is really not popping up, but like this 15 minute is solid right now. If this next 15 minute can like break above, it'd be solid work. Because realistically, we are in our actual range now. Now that I can see the box method. The box method? Well, what is the box method? I can't tell you. It's in the mentorship. But you can join, you can click that link down there. You know what I'm saying? Click that link. Pretty little baby. So realistically, I'm trying to see how this next 15-minute candle reacts, if I'm gonna exit this trade or not. Just the only reason why is, dude, this 4 hour opening so low like that is crazy work. Like, just this whole rejection here is wild. I don't know, man. Maybe I should just take profit and just take what I can get right now. It's a little risky, yes, little risky. I really want to see what will happen in the next 15 minutes. Because this 15 minutes is still bullish. It's still bullish. We can still get push. We can still get push. Push above, push above, push above. Because if we look, this is London. London hasn't even broke Asia highs, which is 3,695. Right? Now, what I'm looking for now is if this next 30-minute were to close somewhere above here, or this next 15-minute candle were to actually push us up, that'll be nuts. That'll be insane. The hour is just overshot. This is like a weird ass hourly candle. I mean, 2 hour candle. But we do have an hour rejection here and a continuation hourly candle. So we could retest back into those 90s actually and not even break these highs. So we got 45 seconds here. Let's kind of see what happens if we're gonna break these highs or not. I mean, I'm up like almost 3 grand. Not too shabby, boys. Not too shabby. And if you're in here lurking, hello, you can, you can say something in the chat. I've been trading for 12 years. I'm funded with multiple firms. Right now, I'm just trading Take Profit Trader. I got 3 people. Nice. Hopefully, y'all are doing well. I'm gonna just say something. Yo. But we up a little bit, you feel me? So not too bad. But like I said, the only reason why I don't like this trade is because of this 4 hour. This shit is just so ugly and awful. Does smoking help with your emotions? I wouldn't say so, bro. I'm just a pothead. I'm literally just a fucking pothead. I know people say you can't smoke weed, you can't trade, you can't be fucked with. That's bullshit. And that's actually fucking bullshit. I'm proof that you can be functioning and smoking weed. So I was up like 3 racks. We need to see how this 3 minute will react here. Let's see if this 3 minute can just fill this whole manipulation candle. But clearly this is a manipulation candle at 3 a.m. And then I think the real move is not going to happen until we break above those 690s. And we could potentially see 700 either sometime today or, next week. So, I mean, this right here, it could honestly be an easy setup, to be real with you. Got a W pattern here. Rejection when this was supposed to keep going, right? but we rejected. Pull back down to this area for continuation up. Kind of what I'm looking at. Just because we didn't break these lows, we didn't break this previous low, and now we're currently trending up. So if we break these highs, or at least 3,690, which is a psychological number, then I definitely believe that we can hit these 700s. It's just a matter of just being patient, seeing what happens, and seeing if we get this push. 50-minute candle just opened up, which is solid work. My computer's about to die. Let me fucking charge it. What's up? How are you? I don't know how to say your name, so I'm gonna just call you I. So I, how are you doing? So now looking at the daily is bullish. The 4 hour chart, bro, this is just a weird ass 4 hour. Like, honestly, it's just very ugly to me. Just extremely ugly. So we're trying to break these highs on the 4 hour. We have this high here around Tuesday, September 9th, and then we have the second high here at Wednesday, which is the middle of the week, September 10th, so not too far off a day. And then now we're September 12th, the end of the week. So why wouldn't we try to retest the highs of the beginning of this week if this was the recent high of this week? So what I'm looking for now is for us to break these 690s and break above to tap into the 695 and possibly potentially hit 700. Potentially. Oh, let's see. 30-minute looks solid. 15-minute looks fucking sexy. See how this next 5-minute opens up. This is a fucking great move right now by Gold. Insane fucking move. Let's go. Look at that 5-minute tick, baby. 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 Where did I get in at? Like 77? Around right here. Around like 4:15 a.m. I'm targeting these highs up here. And then my stop loss is down here. $69. Oh, bro, little to no drawdown? What do you mean? Little to no drawdown, chat? I'm good, bruh. London, opening, boring. Now I'm back. Just look. When did you trade? Did you try to trade London already? Asia was good and always profit locked in. Yeah, if you can always lock in profit during Asia, that's the best. It's honestly the best. Low key thinking about taking profit, bro. I want to break these 90s. I truly want to break these 90s right now. I want to look at the book map just to see what's going on with gold. I might look at the book map. You guys want to look at the book map with me? Let's look at the book map. Oh, see, look, there it is. But this is for NQ. We don't want NQ. We want gold. So when we look at gold here, we have to break above this VWAP. See, look, I told you that those 390s, 3,689, which is also 3,369, is an important key level. Like, we have sellers here, and if we can get buyers to the long side, we'll get a push and break above these highs. Watch. Watch it happen. Break these 90s. Break these 90s. Bang, bro. I'm telling you. It's going to break these 90s. I'm going to set an alert. And then if this alert hits, that means we broke the 90s. I don't typically trade Asia, but what I do, I catch some good setups sometimes. Bro, we're like a point tick of away. Like, what the fuck? Bang, brother. Bang. Oh my god. We hit Market Wizard. Yes. 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 Yeah, sure. Bookmap OP for sure. I don't even use Bookmap like that. I don't. I fucking don't. But I know how to use it. It's not in my strategy, but I know how to use it. I can add it as a confluence, bro. Wow, baby. Wow, baby. Let's fucking go, baby girl. Baby girl. All right, let's see if we can tap back into those 90s. I would like to get a little bit above 4K. I mean, realistically, I want to hit my TP, but I don't want to be too greedy on this. Like I said, this level here is going to be important, and this level needs to be broken in order for us to go higher. But I don't think we'll go higher unless the next 30-minute candle that opens up in 7 minutes and 30 seconds opens up higher above these 90s, which would break these 95s. That's my only reasoning. That would be my only reasoning. Hear that book map? Bang, 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 bang. It's like gunshot. Pow, 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 pow. Volume! Volume! Can we break those 90s? Can we break those 90s? Can we get volume? Oh, them sellers, them sellers. They're getting spicy, boy. They're getting spicy. Bro, can you mute, please? Bookmap is so loud. Yeah. I got you. I got you. My fault. My fault. Let me turn that down for you. Is that better, senor? I'm sorry, senor. Senor, is that better? Is that better for your ears? So now, at this point right now, I'm going to see how this 5-minute candle reacts into this level. This psychological number, 3,690. And realistically, like I said, I'm waiting for the 15 and the 30 to open up. So we have about 4 minutes till the 30-minute candle opens up. We have about 4 minutes, 50 seconds till the 15-minute opens up. So let's hope that we can hit this, right? Because we want to be market wizards. No, I'm not the best. You're the fucking best. I would like to hit TP, honestly. But if we don't, it's okay. Doobie doobie doo up, ooby doobie doo up. Shooby dooby doo up. Okay, let's see what's going on with the Buki map. It's not loud now. You can still hear the book map in the background, right? But it's not loud. Not as loud. Not loud. Not as loud. I'm gonna hit my bong. Why? Because I want to hit my bong. See this? This beauty right here. This is called a bong. This shit glows in the dark, baby. It's nuts. Insane. All right, bro. You need to stop. You need to leave and go up. So right now we're waiting on this 3 minute to open up and the next 5 minute candle and 15 and 30. So I'm gonna stay on this 3 minute. And I'm telling you guys, the sauce, you see how I don't even have a 1 minute candle? Like, I don't even use the 1 minute. I think this is, yeah, this is the 1 minute, but this is like a recent thing or some shit. But you see my favorites, bro? I only have the 3 minute, the 5, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour, 1 day, and 1 week because you don't need anything fucking else. Why would you need anything else than that? Huh? Why? 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 Like, it doesn't make sense to me. You get lost in the sauce using like lower time frames. So the lowest you'll typically ever see me go is 3 minutes. That's the lowest you'll typically ever see me go. Here and there, you'll rarely see me hop on that 1 minute candle chart. Rarely. Bro, was there a hole in this? Like, is weed just falling out? Sprinkle a little niceness on there, baby. Sprinkle a little niceness on there, baby. Bro, PayPal is holding my money. Like, one of my students paid me to join my mentorship, and they're literally holding my money, saying I have to submit all these documents. They're like, bro, I'm a legitimate business. I have multiple students. I've done multiple transactions. I've had my PayPal business account for multiple fucking years. And not only that, I have an LLC and multiple other fucking business cards as well as business bank accounts. So I don't know, there's some weird shit. It's like, bro, how y'all gonna hold my money, my dough, the money I work for? Hello? Shit's crazy, bro. But this is my bong. If I bong. Oh yeah. Don't let anybody ever tell you can't be a functioning pothead. Who said you could be a pothead and couldn't be a millionaire? I'ma be the motherfucking first. Well, I wouldn't be the first because there's rappers that are millionaires and other rap, but trader, the first pothead trader, right? Multimillionaire. Dude, your shit won't even. Fixed it. Dude, this is whack. Oh, we had a seller right here. That's why. We need buyers to come in. I told y'all this is a psychological dubber. It's a key level at an area of resistance. And now this 30 minute just opened. Remember how I said we're waiting on that 30 minute candle open up? So typically the first 30 minute candle, you kind of want to wait. And then also for the first hourly candle, you want to wait at least the first 15, 25 minutes because there's tons of fake outs. But I still think we can push past this zone because we want to be the market wizards. And we gotta break out of this zone to get out of this range.
Stop and Q buy.
And the range that I'm talking about, I do the box method, which y'all don't know about. I teach him at mentorship, but yeah. Fuck going on here, man. So you can see right now we're in a 30 minute range currently and a breakout. But box method can also be used in areas of consolidation. So if we look here, you could see if you were trading this, you were just in a range getting fucking wrecked, right? Until we broke out that fucking range. So mind you, you were in a range all through fucking, what session is that? Bro, where's my fucking session at, man? Where my fucking session at, yeah? What is it, man? Sodar Labs. What the fuck is this Schmidt? Okay, so what in the balls? Let me fix this real quick. Okay, so when we look here, bro, you should not fucking do that, dog. Ugh. Okay, so when we look, we can clearly see that this was arranged during New York session. New York session range, Asia opened right around, was that 7:30? Well, Asia opened around 5, and then around 7:30, that's when we just got the fucking spike. So we finally broke out the range. So being that this is the range and we pull this out, we can also see that we've broken out that range and retested back into that range. Pop back up, new range, new level. Key area of psychological numbers needs to be broken in order to go higher. That's why we're struggling right now. But this first 15-minute candle open, so I think if we get some volume here, the next like 5 to 10 minutes, that's what could push us up past this zone here, which is a 15-minute rejection. So we just wait. How much stuff could I do on this? When did I delete Sonar Labs? What in the fuck? How far can I go back? Aha. That's where. There we go. I'll try to delete this. Okay, cool. Anyways, so let's delete the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can actually finally break this. Give it a little bit chat. Let's see what happens here. Enjoy, bruh, smoke. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this fucking smoke. Wait and smoke be best. What do you mean wait and smoke be best, bro? I got all the weed right now. What you mean? We got this, we got the bone. I mean, I got dabs. What else do I need? We up almost 4 bands, which is a solid. I would like to break these highs here. This right here is just what I want to break. I want to break this. And then I also want us to continue going higher. Can we get much higher? So can we get much higher? So So I'm looking for this move here. This was the reversal at Asia Open. Well, after, yeah, fully Asia Open. Then we got the sell-off, which was here. Manipulation, liquidity grab, sweep, breakout, pullback, push up. 15-minute breakout looking to happen here in 30 minutes. Well, so we had, this is the reversal, and then you can clearly see we have a confirmation candle here. So you could have entered even off of here. And I entered in off the lows because I waited for, if I remember right, I caught this hourly low and I got in once I saw that we were rejecting this hour, opening up a new hour, and we rejected. And then when I went down to a 30-minute time frame, it was same thing. We were still in the zone. If I remember right, I waited for this 15-minute to fully almost close. So I got in like, I think like 3 minutes before it closed and I got into this entry. Could have had a better entry down here, but shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? So can't complain. I mean, I honestly, this trade was probably one of the most it's one of those trades to where you get little to no drawdown, which this is one of those trades. Okay, I got it at 415. If I remember right, I got around like 415 or so. Okay, so it's a little bit before 415. But doesn't it tell you on here what time you got in? If you just like, yeah, 411 is when I got in. I lied. I got in at 411. So I got around 411. And then my goal is to ride it up to at least there. Stop loss. Bro, I literally can't click the arrow because I put this fucking thing on top. I'm an idiot. Oh well. Ugh. Hopefully everyone's having a chill fucking morning for London, bro. We trying to hit this bitch right here on our fucking account. Low key, if this area doesn't get broken, bro, I'm probably gonna take profit, guys. That's so fucking ugly, bro. But I mean, I just like this 15-minute candle. That's the only reason why I'm saying. And then another thing I hate is this 4 hour. But I mean, this 4 hour has no bottom wick. And one thing I teach, no bottom wick candles are also signs of reversals as well. Dropping a little bit of gems for y'all. Those those 70s aren't literally that far off though. So, like I said, based off of this chart, what I got from this here, I'll show you guys. So we got 4 hour support down here, 4 hour support here. Then we got new area level, and then we have another level of resistance. And then we can go to like a 30-minute time frame. And those levels are still being respected, even on the hour as well. And then after today, we had that consolidation, which I was talking about earlier. Where was it? So you can see the yellow outline. This is New York session. That's showing New York. So we had that consolidation of range, and we finally broke out. So like I was telling them, it's kind of like the box method. And you can literally pull it back, but I'm just going to put it right here for now. So you can see that we were in a range, and these wicks are indication of exhaustion and bullshit. Trash price action. Till we finally found some support down here, which is also another level. Even though it's not a major level, it's a smaller level of support. Finally got that breakout. After that breakout, we got that push up. All during Asia, right? All to tap back down into these lows, but not break these previous lows, which is, you know, good, somewhat bad, depending on how you look at it. What time is it? It's already 5:45. I'm getting fucking tired too, chat. I'm like wanting to fucking go to sleep. I've been up. I got back from the gym, like everything. Your boy KO. Like a cop car. Ooh. 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 bro. This is fucking shit. Let's see how this next candle opens. Cut 3/4/20. Gotta take a hit. All right. I'm just gonna take profit. I'm fucking tired. Do I give it a little bit longer? What do I do, guys? What should I do? See, you can see this is a level that needs to be broken on the book map too. But I still believe we're gonna see 33,700 sometime today. If we have good news. I may hold this. Oh. I'm tired. And high as fuck. Okay, so this 5-minute candle reacted pretty decent. Yeah, bro, I might get out of this chat. That's what it seems. I mean, I still feel like we have that opportunity, but being that this level is just stuck, it's like, bro, I'm just gonna take this 3K. I still have all of New York session.
Order filled.
I'm taking it. So that's 3 bands locked in. Could have locked in a little bit more, but brother, I mean, it's cool, bro. It's cool. If it happens, it happens. Whoop-de-doo, I took the money and I left and I ran. So now I'm gonna hit the bong and enjoy the dub. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little London stream. I'm about to go ahead and take a shower since I got back from the gym and worked out. I hope you guys enjoy y'all's night. If you guys want to join some mentorship, it's on my YouTube profile. You can go to my Instagram. Yeah, I'll teach you everything you need to know about futures and how to be successful and make fucking money in the markets. And it might rip from here, but if it does, it is what it is. Like I said, I already took my money, guys, so that's all that matters. I have FOMO still, even if I've been doing this forever. All right, later, masturbators. We outie.